Hi, welcome back to Julia's Crafting Space. If you're new here, welcome. You may subscribe for more videos. So in this video, I will show you how I clean up my grapevine and prep for a wreath. All you need is a set of plier cutters and that's it. So I start by removing the little leaves or dried grass that's on top of the wreath, or inside of the wreath actually. And you start cutting all around. So I usually start and then continue all around in one direction, if it makes any sense. So it's very simple. It's a very simple process. I'm just cutting all the excess to make a perfect round shape. So what I'm using here is a 14-inch grapevine. Normally what I do is I use an 18-inch grapevine for my orders, but this time just for the video I'm using a 14-inch. Just like a medium size. So this one doesn't have a lot of dried leaves. Normally my biggest ones, they are pretty messy. They have a lot of dried leaves and I have to remove, and it takes me almost an hour to get it really clean. So this one just took a couple minutes. So making a wreath takes a lot of your time. First you have to prep everything and then make your design and glue everything. So I'm wondering, if you're watching this video, do you make any wreaths or do you make any other crafts, or what do you like to make? There's a lot of styles of wreaths. There's grapevines, the deco mesh, the burlap, and there's many more. Next, I'm going to make a burlap wreath. It's a patriotic burlap wreath. I'm going to make a video about it and post it in a couple days. I'm trying to make a video weekly and post it once a week if I have enough time. So when you clean your wreath, you have to make sure that you cut both sides of the wreath, so the top and the back of the wreath. This one had a lot of grass, so I was trying to take it off. I was really trying. You can use a pen or anything you have to make it easier to remove the excess. Also, let me know in the comments if you would like any specific crafting video, and maybe I can see if I can make it for you. And like I said, I will be posting how to make a burlap wreath on the next video. Also, let me know if you like the wreath videos or if you would like me to try different crafting videos. I'm thinking of doing a wooden riser It's going to be my first time making it, so I will do that and post it probably in 2 or 3 weeks. Oh, so here it is. This is how it's looking. So don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and you all have a beautiful day.